Welcome to this Cadline video showing you how to add and edit sites within DynamicAIM. The embedded map to the right of the sites list shows the location of your sites within the map, and if we zoom in and hover over a site, the full details are then shown within inside an information bubble. If we now choose the Sites button above the map, we can then see a full list of your sites. Choosing the Add tab above the sites list will open up a blank site window where we can add a new name, a reference, a site description, and then the coordinates for the new site. Once we've entered the coordinates, if we press the Save button, this will commit the geometry of our data for that site. Next, we can choose a Select Files button to find a suitable image for the new site. Once the image is chosen, press the Save button, and when we return to the map, we'll see our new site has been added and located in Northampton. To edit this new site, choose the Sites tab again, and now let's click on the pencil icon. We can edit the site details, for example changing the site description, and if we press Save and then return to the map, we can see that the site description has been updated within the bubble. Let's go back and edit the new site again by replacing the original site image. Choose the Select Files button to find our replacement site image, and once opened, ensuring the Edit Sites panel, we use a trash can to delete the original image. Pushing the Save button will commit these changes. Now back in the map, let's press the Drawing button from the top toolbar to activate the Drawing Tools panel. Here we're going to use the Move button to reposition the site over another building. Once we've repositioned, press Save to commit the changes. And when we next refresh the map, the site location will be moved. Finally, if we refresh the web page, we can see that on the left-hand panel, our new site in Northampton has been added with the image we uploaded. Selecting the new site will take us to site level, where the map updates to show the location of the new site in Northampton.